What's up, guys? So a little bit different of a video today. I'm still waiting on Filament so I can keep trucking along on Life-Size Sonic here, but in the meantime, while we're waiting, I got some upgrades I want to throw on my P1S. I got the AMS hub so I can run multiple AMSs to one machine. I got some anti-vibration feet that I want to toss on, see if I like them. I got a pair for both machines. I got a couple of 02 and 04 hardened steel tips. I won't put those on today, but I will show you at a later date when I actually put those on. These tips are still new, so I'm going to get some life out of them. They send you with some extra cords. I won't need them anytime soon, but that is awesome. So I'm going to pretty much show you. You need the big Allen wrench. You'll need the AMS hub, the screws it came with, and then the PTFE tube, which we'll get to that after I get it installed here. So I'm just going to set you up. Hopefully you can see. We'll flip this machine around so you can see the back side here. Probably have to unplug it, but that's okay. Cool. Maybe I'll zoom it in a little bit for you guys. There. Okay, take your Allen wrench. We'll take these two screws out really quick. Don't lose them. That way it's easier to take these PTFE tubes out. Take to the back side here. You want to hold. Pulls right out. Same on the other side. Comes right out. Make sure your machine's off. Unplug it. Put that to the side. I think we will leave that in. Got the new screws, the new hub. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I recommend don't tighten one side all the way down. Kind of just get it threaded. Sneak over to the other side, get it threaded. Get it pretty close. Come back over here. There is thread locker on the screws, so just kind of be gentle. And that's it for that. We'll take the PTFE tube, stick it back into the new one, which may have been easier with it off, but she's in. Okay, and then we can take this first tube, we'll stick it in the top. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And then when you do attach your other AMSs, you'll run them in here. You got 3 extra ports, so you can run up to 16 colors on your prints. But that's pretty much it. And then you'd kind of piggyback your cords from AMS, so you'd plug this straight into your second AMS. If you need a longer PTFE tube, I think they send you with a longer one when you get your P1S, so you kind of just cut it to fit it. That's pretty much it for that piece. So I'm going to try to do the anti-vibration feet, and then that'll be pretty much it. And then we'll pretty much cut to when I get my order of silk, and then I'm going to walk you through my settings and my process for how I'm accomplishing the Life-Size Sonic and silk. I'm pretty sure those just come out. Show you what I mean here. Get the second one out. pull out the old ones, stick in the new ones. Now, to be honest, these haven't really been bugging me or vibrating that much, but people recommend them. And they were cheap, so I figured why not. Flip that around. Hopefully it's not gonna mess up the other side. Get the other two here close by. Oofda, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, boys. Sketchy. So I think we're gonna do just one at a time. Keep your old rubber boots in case you change your mind. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like this. Oh, they're all gonna fall out too. Watch. Yep. Bear with me. We're learning together here on YouTube. Yep, the other side definitely fell out. That's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Helps if you have someone to hold it up for you, but we're riding solo today. So that was a fail. Anti-vibration feet, don't know if I recommend them. Maybe I just didn't put them on right. Maybe I just don't need them. But I'm gonna put them back in the box, and that's where they're gonna sit. So I want to show you the main reason why I bought the AMS hub, so that I can run two AMSs. It's a lot easier than adding a pause on certain prints and just having maybe some layer shifts or some problems. So when you buy the Yosh Studios file for the life-size Sonic, it comes with a 6-inch replica. And so it's up to 7 colors. And it's 1,020 changes. And just for 2 of them, it's a day and 22 hours, so almost 2 days. And then almost 700 grams of filament. So I'm probably not going to run that yet. I think I'm going to wait until I get the last pieces of Sonic done, and then I'm going to have a couple little mini replicas done of them. That way my daughter gets one, I get one. One can go around with life-size Sonic, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to cut to, oh my gosh, finally got my filament. It's almost 6 o'clock at night. Time to get cracking. Pretty much got 4 blue silks, but also got a red silk. So maybe we'll do shadow after this, huh? Silk. Silk. Okay, let's get these files ready to go. And then we'll get it sent to the printer here. So I want to finish his chest. We are going to leave it on high quality. Strength, we're going to do 5% gyroid. Speed, it should already be slowed down since it's on high quality. Support, I stay with tree. And I'm going to go ahead and change this threshold to 30. And then yeah, that's it. We're going to slice her. This will obviously take a minute, so I'm going to go ahead and do the first arm. We'll have both of these machines going. Doo-doo-doo. Mind my allergies. The cotton and pollen are terrible where I live. So, same thing, leave it on high quality. Down here to strength. 5. I really don't want the top of his body to be heavy and so he falls over all the time. Support, again, 30. I don't know why that's at 25. On build plate only, and I can tell I already messed up the last one, so we're going to have to go back and do on the build plate only and reslice. It is currently 1:30 in the morning. Set the other arm up to print. Oh yeah, getting sticky with it. Clean up the tip here a little bit. Okay, make sure we're good to go. We are sending the second arm to the printer. But while that's sending, find my pliers. Let's get these supports off. Try to do it while it's warm. If you let it cool down on these silks, I don't know if it's the same on PLA, but it doesn't look the best. Oh, making a mess. There you go. Super shiny. Well, his other arm should be done 9:17 in the morning. Starting right now, show you the body. Got 12 hours left. Super shiny. But we'll see you tomorrow. I'm exhausted. Good night. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. We finally made it through the week. I got a couple more parts done to Sonic last night. Torso just came off the printer, so I threw it on for the video really quick. Got both of his ears going right now. Should be done in about 4 hours. But that leaves us down to 12 more pieces. Looking freaking awesome. I can't wait to show my daughter her real life Sonic, her favorite movie character. God, it looks cool. Anyways, I hope you like this style of content. That's all I have for this week. Kind of like a day in the life of the last 2 days. Couple upgrades to my printers. Show you what I'm working on. And of course, life-size Sonic. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.